everybody, welcome to Cooking with Claire. I am Claire Olson, the Senior Corporate Chef for Newlyweds Foods. It is June and it is summer, and today we're going to be talking about salads. Right now, during summertime, there are so many fruits and vegetables that are at their peak of ripeness. They're colorful, they're beautiful, they're delicious, and here at Newlyweds, we can provide you with a seasoning or a dressing to help accompany these salads and make them even more delicious. First and foremost, let's talk green salads. Green lettuce salads don't have to be boring. There are plenty of different fruits and vegetables and flavors that you can add to lettuce to make them more crunchy and delicious. For our green salad today, we combined different flavors and textures, and also we used different cooking methods to prepare the components of this salad. I love green peas in a salad. They are not only delicious, but they really give you an extra crunch. We added some almonds for some protein, also more crunch, Parmesan, roasted beets, charred broccoli, and we used a Newlyweds Foods lemon Parmesan seasoning in the vinaigrette, in addition to toasting up some breadcrumbs with that seasoning and adding it on top for a little extra crunch. The next salad that we came up with has no vegetables, but it's very fruit forward. We used some mesclun greens, put in all sorts of berries that are just fresh and beautiful and sweet, strawberries and blueberries and raspberries. We added some orange creams, a little bit of goat cheese for some creaminess, and we used a Newlyweds Foods mixed berry syrup in our vinaigrette. I don't know if you know this, but salads don't really have to contain any lettuce at all. For example, the next salad that we worked on is a legume salad. It has white beans and edamame. We put some crunchy components in there like red cabbage and cashews, some chow mein noodles. We added some dried cranberries for a little bit of sweetness, and we used a Newlyweds Foods sesame seasoning in our vinaigrette. Piggybacking off of our legume salad, another non-lettuce salad that we made is a grain salad. We used wild rice and barley. We combined delicious and crunchy radishes and cucumbers. We seasoned some sweet potatoes with a Newlyweds Foods gochujang seasoning, and we tossed all of that together in a Newlyweds Foods seasoned kimchi vinaigrette. Next up is the ever popular pasta salad. Summertime is a great time for all sorts of different pasta salads. You could really add any type of ingredients that you want to pasta, and boom, it's a salad. For our pasta salad, we started off with orzo pasta. We added some roasted tomatoes and red onions, in addition to steamed asparagus. And then we used a Newlyweds Foods lemon dill seasoning on top of some salmon, as well as in the vinaigrette. Another very popular salad is tuna salad. However, we just didn't want to make your average mayo-based tuna salad, which is also very delicious. We wanted to make a fancy tuna salad. For our tuna salad, we seared up some ahi steaks, sliced them up, put them in some really beautiful and crunchy endive boats, topped it with a little bit of kiwi for a little tart and sweetness, and we used a Newlyweds Foods miso, mustard, and black peppercorn seasoning for our vinaigrettes. The next salad we're going to talk about is one of my favorites. It's a Panzano salad. I don't know about you, but I'm crazy for carbs. In a typical Panzano salad, we have diced up bread that is toasted and seasoned and tossed with olive oil. We added some green beans, some beautiful yellow tomatoes. I picked some herbs from my own personal garden, and on top, one of my favorites, burrata cheese. All of that is mixed with a vinaigrette that contains a Newlyweds Foods roasted tomato seasoning. Did you know that dessert can also be a salad? Well, it can be, and we made one. We took some really ice cold, plump and juicy grapes, mixed it with some Cool Whip and vanilla yogurt, and we topped it with granola that was seasoned with a Newlyweds Foods hot buttered rum seasoning. Well, I hope that you enjoyed all of the different types of salads that we created for you this month. We had a great time incorporating different flavors and different textures because there's so many possibilities when it comes to salads. If you have any questions or would like any more information, please feel free to reach out. And we'll see you guys next time.